Let's imagine we're a game development company, and we wish to reward our top VR gamers with virtual badges stored in Soulbound tokens. With Soulbound tokens, also known as SBT, the holder of these tokens cannot transfer the tokens to anyone else. Hence, the term Soulbound. Once we've connected our wallet, let's go and create a smart contract. We shall select SBT Smart Contract. And let's give this contract a name and symbol. Cool! Now we shall hit this button to create this smart contract on the blockchain. Awesome! Let's check out our new smart contract on the chain. Here are the name and symbol of the contract. Next, let's go and mint a Soulbound token. Here we can choose if we want this SBT token to be public or private. Let's select public. Next, we need to give a name and description for our token. Now let's upload a payload into our token. We shall upload an in-game achievement video showcasing how our gamer scored a perfect game in VR bowling. We are using IPFS to store this video content. Let's view the video on IPFS. Nice! Next, we need to enter the gamer's wallet. Let's click this button to review our token. Here's a summary of our token before minting. Everything looks great. Now let's go ahead and mint this SBT token. Excellent! Now our Soulbound token is live on the blockchain. Awesome! This Soulbound token has been sent to the gamer's wallet. Now let's pretend we are the top gamer. And let's add the SBT token to our wallet. As you know, an SBT token is essentially an NFT token, but without the ability for us to transfer the token out from our wallet. Anyway, let's go ahead and try to send this token to someone else. Whoops! It failed! Well, it's because it's a Soulbound token. A token bound to our soul. Nonetheless, we still have the option to burn this token if we wish.